Welcome back, guys. What's going on? So I'm going to do a bit of a tutorial today of how to set up a horizontal and a vertical stream at the same time over on YouTube. So we just set our normal page here. It's going to go create and go live just like normal. Um, Now you do have to have the OBS vertical plugin done from the for this already. Hopefully you've got that done. If not, just Google it. It'll just be right there. Just OBS vertical plugin. Boom, done. Download. Easy fix. Right, I've already got today's stream ready here, but that's all right. We'll ignore that for now. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to start scheduling streams now instead of like just going click go live. So you go schedule stream. We're gonna go create new here. We're gonna set this one up as hori. And you know, I'm not good typing out the whole word. It's CBF right now. Do your thumbnails, everything. Next monetization, blah blah blah. Then next, set up all your subscribers only chat, whatever you want to do there. Now here you can either set it as private, unlisted, public, all that. Schedule when you're going to start as well. So let's say you can even do it for like days in advance. Yeah, so let's just say I'm gonna do this one for tomorrow at 5 o'clock when I'm getting home from work, you know. Click done, and then that will load up eventually. Right, then over here, it's already pre-done kind of for me because I've done it, but either way, you'll have a horizontal stream key here, which if you've already been streaming horizontal on YouTube, then you'll already have this stream key over in OBS. If you don't have it, you then copy it. And then what you want to do is bring it over into OBS, settings, streaming, put your stream key in here, then click apply, boom, done. So that's your horizontal one set up. That's easy as. Then you can go back. Right, so we've got the horizontal stream sitting there, ready to go. Then we go create new again. This one's going to be vert. Once again, set up all your fucking information. Same thing there. Same thing there. Then we'll do the same thing 5 o'clock for tomorrow. Click done. Now, this is going to be where it gets not tricky, but different. All right, so we want to create a new stream key for the vertical stream. So what we do now is we go in here and it will have create new stream key. So you want to do a create new one. Then you just write what you want to call it. So we'll just call it vert. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you what to do. I'm not going to do it because I already have my vertical one done. So yeah, just create a new stream key, go create. And then once you've created it, the page will refresh. And then down here, you'll now get a vertical stream key. So then you want to copy that, come across into your vertical. This will be slightly different to you guys if you don't have multi-streaming set up as well. But just open this up, vertical canvas, output settings, copy that new vertical stream key in here, save it, and then that will be done. You then have a separate stream key for your vertical and your horizontal. This will have a different name. It will look a lot more like this. I'll show you mine. So I've got my vertical here. So this is live vertical, blah, 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 blah. And then this one is horizontal, blah, 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 blah. I have like a H and a V in the start of my streams just to help me remember which one's which. I used to write horizontal and vertical, but then the description's way too long. So now once you have those scheduled, I will show you on my streams, not those, because we don't want to actually stream those. So we're going to delete those now. but that's as far as the setting up goes. Pretty simple. Um, Now back to OBS. What you want to do now is click start streaming on the horizontal side, and it's not going to show it to me, but usually if you go create event, it's because I'm recording right now. If you go create event, your horizontal stream will be here that you've already scheduled in YouTube. You just click on that, boom, done. And then I like to put it on low latency. You can't put it on ultra if you're streaming at 1440. Then I just click low latency. So that's what I do every time. I click this, click my horizontal event that's usually here. And then low latency, boom, go live. Now I'll try to see if it works with my vertical. Then down on the vertical stream, you'll have a little go live button here. So then I click live. All right. I don't know why it's not working on my this. Maybe it is because I'm recording on horizontal, so I can't then go live. I don't know. I'm not sure. I've never actually had that before. Uh, anyway, then you'll come back over to your streams here, and you'll see it will say excellent connection if everything's running correctly. And then within a minute or two, this go live option will become available. Yep, there it is. And then pretty much right now on YouTube, it says like for my stream, if we just open up my page, it will just say upcoming. Yeah, so we just got upcoming. And if you watch it, nothing happens, right? So until I click the go live button, nothing will come through. So like, yeah, you can set all this up, click start streaming in OBS, but until you come back across to the YouTube live page and click go live yourself, it will not show anything. So don't forget to do that. But yeah, then once we do, we just click go live, boom, done, we're live. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Any questions, let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.